So power will isolate you, but you must find people who tell you the truth. And people who tell you the truth, there won't be many. So keep that small cycle of people who tell you the what? You must have that small cycle of relationships when you have power. But people who are not afraid to tell you the truth. Most people who are in power, they don't want to hear the truth. When you tell the truth, we are bahlasela. Power tempt you to play God. Amandla ayakulinga ukuthi uzibone uNkulunkulu. When you make things happen, you start thinking, I'm in control of everything. That's the exact opposite of the kingdom culture. Because the kingdom culture says in Matthew 6, seek ye first the kingdom of God and his righteousness. Don't allow power to make you play God.